chapter 29, verse 32. The second line, Strinam, Krishna says, oh, Strinam Swadharman. Strinam Swadharma iti dharma vid. Iti dharma vida tvayoktam. He says that, he's speaking, you should know what religion is. You're a woman, you know your Sri Dharma, and you're married, you're Sati Dharma and Sri Dharma. You should follow it. So the gopis are saying, you are Dharma vid. You're the knower of religion. It is actually spoken ironically, because the Braja gopis mean to say, hey Sham, let all of your upadesh, because in line 3, Krishna says, etad, upadesh pade tvayishye. He said, you should follow these instructions, this upadesh. So the gopis say, let your upadesh that you gave about our husbands and children and so on be applied not to us, but to the real and only object of instruction, yourself. Because as you know, ultimately all the instructions of all the Vedas, the Shrutis and Smritis and Puranas and Itihasas and Mahabharata and everything, all the instructions of all the Vedas are actually essentially one. Ante Narayana Smriti. Ante Narayana Smriti. Somehow at the end of our life in this body, we should remember Bhagavan. Bhagavan Smriti. Everywhere you'll see this. Remember Vishnu, remember Narayan. So this is the conclusion of all the Vedas. So all the instructions lead there. And here the gopis are. You're giving so much upadesh. And the conclusion of all upadesh is to surrender to Bhagavan and become his devotee. And they're standing right in front of him as surrendered souls.